My name is Joy Turamuhawe. I'm a business student at Makerere University Business School, and I'm a businesswoman. So I run a business called CJAY Home Solutions. It's a cleaning company. I also have a side business where we sell Irish. It's called the Irish Plug. I got into the cleaning business because I was inspired by my former workmate. She was cleaning our office, so I used to help her and I was inspired. Plus I also serve at church, so I used to clean there. So those were my two inspirations. I started in 2019 in Feb. The most beautiful part is that I get to work with a couple of people. I think I've worked with over 100 students. So giving people that platform to make money is a really, really amazing part of my job. My very first cleaning gig was in Bukoto, and it was a one-bedroom house. It was tiring. I didn't know I'd spend 5 hours cleaning a one-bedroom house, but I did. It was tiring, but once the guy paid the money, I felt so inspired to do my next job. So it was amazing. My first pay was 30,000, and I spent about 4,500 or less, 3,500 in transport. So my startup capital was 3,500. Yeah. So my friends and family were very supportive. No one discouraged me. But of course, there's social media. Those people always have something to say. So some had this whole, how can your parents pay for you to go and pursue a degree and you're cleaning? You get, you can do better. Why that profession? You get. We look to expand to other East African countries and have students from different universities joining CJAY Home Solutions, maybe in Kenya, in Tanzania, in Rwanda. So that's the dream. I know it's a long-term goal, but we'll get there. I just make sure I prioritize. I maybe do my personal things very early in the morning so that by 7, 8, I am ready for work. Yeah. So from 8 to about 6, I am always open to work. So we work during the day, then others work in the night because we can't tell clients that we're not available. So we work 24/7, every single day of the year, every single hour of the year. I'd first of all tell them to take advice from the right people. Don't take advice from people that have failed in a certain business. Take advice from those that have succeeded, because there are people that are not meant to, for example, bake. If I baked, I'd probably not be good at it because I am not maybe passionate about it. So take advice from people who are succeeding, from people that you would want to be like, not people you wouldn't look up to. Definitely at home. I love to finish my chicken in peas. Zinga, bucket, extra ketchup.